Okay. You have understood how to prepare the fabric, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have clearly understood how to prepare a fabric in the spinning mill, isn't it? Do you have any doubts regarding this?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have any doubts, you ask the madam. She'll clarify your doubts. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. From where cotton come, ma'am? From where cotton come, ma'am?
Cotton comes from plants. Threads will be prepared in the factories. Okay. Next.
If you want color thread, how do we make it?
If you want the colored threads like this, we'll dye it. Okay, these white threads will be there. No, out of cotton we'll get these white threads. Okay, these white threads will dip in the dye. Okay, whatever color we want, that colored dye we'll take. Okay, that colored thread we'll get. You may see different colored threads over here and there. Okay, different colored dyes they will be dipped. So I'll get different colored threads. Okay, next.
Ma'am, how do we get color threads, ma'am?
Colored threads from here only. Okay, we'll dip the white colored threads in the dye. Okay, whatever colored threads we want, that colored dye, in that colored dye we'll dip the threads and we'll get that particular color. Okay, if you want to get yellow colored thread, which colored solution, in which colored solution we'll dip? Yellow color only. Okay, in yellow colored solution we'll dip this particular white thread. Okay, white thread can accommodate any colored solution. Okay, for any colored solution you can take. Okay, and that particular thread we will get. Okay,
How do we arrange the color threads, ma'am?
see colored threads, we'll arrange the whatever design we want, we arrange like this. Okay, see we are arranging the colored threads here in the border, in the last rows. Okay, in the last rows we have arranged the colored threads. So we have got the border like this. Okay, here also, here also. Okay, here. If you want the bordered colors, we'll arrange in the last rows. Okay, if you want the design in the middle part, we'll arrange there. Wherever we want in the fabric, we'll arrange there. Okay, whatever color we arrange there, that colored fabric will come here. Okay, like that. Next one.
How do you arrange the big bundle threads to small bundle threads, ma'am?
These bundle threads. These bundle threads will arrange lengthwise here, no? These lengthwise threads will be shifted to another machine there. Okay, with the help of the rolls, we will shift these big bundles to small another machine there, and from there we'll make a fabric using the machines.
Ma'am, how we arrange the threads in lengthwise?
Like this only, with the help of this machine only. Okay, with the help of this machine. Okay, with the help of this machine, we'll arrange the threads in the lengthwise. Okay, this is a machine. Okay, it will rotate and it will form lengthwise threads. Okay.
Ma'am, how many threads do we have in this
Fabric.
fabric?
In this fabric, totally 1300 threads will be present. Okay, in each bundle we have 260 threads. Okay, total we have 6 bundles here. You may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, totally we have 1300 threads in this fabric. Okay.
After arranging 260 threads, how many threads we get, ma'am?
See, after arranging 260 threads like this, we'll drag the lengthwise threads like this. Okay, in order to arrange them in lengthwise. Totally, we'll get 6 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bundles we get. Okay, in each bundle we have 260 threads. Totally, we'll get 1300 threads. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, cotton is in white color now, ma'am. From where we get this type of colored fabric threads?
See, cotton is white color. Since we want if we want some different colored threads, we'll dip it in a dye. Okay, we'll dye them. Okay, whatever color we want, whatever colored thread we want, we will dip in that particular dye. So we'll get that particular thread. Okay, next ma'am.
Ma'am, how many bundles are arranged in smaller rolls, ma'am?
How many bundles? There are 260 bundles arranged over there. Okay, in smaller bundles we'll take 260 threads, 260 bundles. Okay, next ma'am.
What is the breadth of the fabric we get?
See, since we are taking 1300 threads, totally 260, 260, 260, we are taking 1300 threads, no? So the breadth of the thread, breadth of the cloth we get is 30 centimeters. Okay, if you take 1600 threads means the breadth will be little bit larger. Okay, however threads we take, that much breadth increases. Okay,
Ma'am, how many rolls are there, ma'am?
there are totally 260 rolls. 260 rolls arranged. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the length of thread, ma'am?
Length of the thread. We may take any length of the thread. Okay, how much ever length we take, that much big fabric we'll get. Okay, as the length of the thread increases, length of the fabric also gets increased.
Ma'am, if you want this colored thread, how do you arrange it, ma'am?
See, if you want to arrange one particular color in this fabric, we'll arrange there. See, if you want to, here we arranged some blue colored and red colored thread over here. So we'll arrange in that last row. Okay, from there we'll drag the thread over here, and here we'll get the color we want. Okay?
Ma'am, shall I ask a question, ma'am?
Yes.
What is the breadth of thread, ma'am?
Breadth of the thread. Thread doesn't have any breadth. Cloth has the breadth. Okay? Thread doesn't have any breadth. Okay? The length of the thread we took now. Okay? That much breadth we will get. Okay? See, 30 centimeters of breadth of the cloth. Okay? Can we go there?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any doubts regarding the preparation of the fabric?
Yes, ma'am.
So please ask.
How do we get this beautiful fabric, ma'am?
This beautiful fabric. See, there we have seen the lengthwise threads arranged, no? From there we bring those lengthwise threads using a roll. Okay, we'll arrange over the back side of the machine. Okay, after that what we'll do, we'll fix it here. Okay, you have seen that wooden block, no? That wooden block will carry one thread. Okay, the moment we switch on the machine, what happens, the thread will move from here to there, binding these two rows. Binding these two rows, it will prepare one fabric. Okay, that wooden block has one thread. You are able to see now, you are all able to see now that thread. Okay, that wooden block will move from here to there. Okay, that will bind these two rows of threads. Okay, by this we will get this beautiful fabric. Okay, understood? Okay. Any doubts?
Ma'am, then what we call lengthwise thread, ma'am?
These lengthwise threads. These lengthwise threads, so we call it as warp. W-A-R-P, warp. Okay, these beautiful threads, we call it with one particular name known as warp. Okay. Next.
Then we what called breadth of the fabric, ma'am?
Breadth-wise threads. Breadth-wise threads, we call it as weft. W-E-F-T, weft. Okay, lengthwise threads we call it as warp. Breadth-wise threads we call it as weft. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.